What's up, Filipinas? Again. What's up, Filipinas? And look what we have here. A new package. New package has arrived today. Kararating lang. Just a few minutes ago. Wait. Tumutunog yung dami kong messages. Let's turn off the volume first para hindi kanina pa beep ng beep. So, this is another package. Baba ko lang yung camera kasi masyadong mataas. Hindi makita yung buong table. Let me rearrange. Nakikita na ba? Hindi pa. Ayan. Makapulo ko naman po ito. Okay, tama-tama. So again, what's up Filipinas? What's up mga plantitos and plantitas? We have a new package that just arrived by J&T Express. It's from Dahon South Seedling Farm. And they have a Facebook page. It's Dahon Grow Kits, wherein they offer or sell a few products. Pero I don't know what are the contents. Hindi ko pa alam ang laman nito. Surprised, excited kung ano yung pinadala nila sa akin. I just told them that they send over whatever they want to feature or highlight or promote. So, ito na po yung ating package. Just arrived today. What time? So, tonight, the time today is oras na ba? It's lunchtime. So, dumating siya ng siguro mga 1:30 in the afternoon. So, they sent it over. I'm not sure what date, but they notified me kailan siya pinadala. It's so they sent it last Monday, and ano araw na ngayon? Wednesday pa lang ngayon. So ang bilis. So it only took 2 or 3 days. So I'll open it. Explain ko muna. Pero before that, before I open this, siguro a konting info about the company or Down South Seedling Farm. So they sent me a description of their company. Their aim is to promote and support local products and crafts to generate small jobs and income to somehow help boost the economy during these hard times. So probably when they say hard times, it's the pandemic. Thus, we are proud to support Filipino, by Filipino, and we advocate and encourage to reduce our carbon footprint as much as we can by using biodegradable materials, recycled mediums, and most important, grow plants for a sustainable tomorrow. So we have the same advocacy or the same motto, grow your own food for a sustainable future, sustainable living. So from their, I've seen their Facebook page. Let me go to their Facebook page. It's Dahon South Seedling Farm, all the way from San Pedro, Laguna. Is do-it-yourself or a DIY seedling farm offering veggies and herb grow kits for your garden. They take part in the green revolution. Their motto, siguro, plant a seed, save the world, go grow green. Go grow green. So, buksan na natin. Excited na ako malaman kung ano lang nito. So, of course, hindi tayong i-open yung package. Ang ba ang pinaka-front? Ito, ibabaw. So, open this. So, nandun yung kasi yung address ko. Parang. So, dapat sa Friday ko pa bubuksan ito. Kaya lang, Wednesday, excited na ako. Pero para ma-organize natin kung ano magagawa natin sa loob, sa laman ng package. So, like I said, hindi ko alam kung ano laman ito. So, for the first time ko rin mabuksan, hindi nila sinabi sa akin kung ano yung papadala nila. But, being a plantito, of course, siyempre, I'm excited kasi I can't wait to be able to use the products inside. So, hindi pa ito naka-box. Matala yung order ko sa Shopee. Walang box. Okay, so aside from the box, it's protected by bubble wraps. And bubble wrap. Nandito. And inside is another package. Another package. Naman niya says Dahon Grow Kits. So, teka, take muna ako ng photo para bago ko buksan to. So, take a photo first. Siyempre, picture-picture muna. And, siyempre, konting video. Ayan. I'm using my other camera or mobile phone to take a photo and video of the package. So, ano kaya laman ito? Excited. Ano laman? Ayan. So, I'll open it. Saan natin? So, again, it's tape. Nakapack siya in brown paper. So, medyo thick na paper. So, naka-tape. And we have here eggs. I said eggs because it's in a look. Parang nasa what do you call egg trays. Pero knowing Dahon Grow Kits, it's probably just their way of recycling or reusing the egg trays. So this one is okra. This one is basil. Oh yes. And the third one, so obviously tatlong laman, is Roma tomato, kamatis. Okay, so take a photo first. Again, syempre, kailangan yung photo. First photo and video. So, laging automatic yon. Dapat may photo and video palagi. Ayan, so it's Dahon Grow Kits. This one is okra. This one is Roma tomato. And this one is basil or balanoy. So okra, kamatis, and balanoy. Balanoy pala ang Tagalog ng basil. Oh, learning. Okay. So learning something new. Wala pa ako nakita nagsulat na ang Tagalog version ng basil kasi. So, I'll open this, of course, naturally. So, very presentable siya. They reuse the egg tray, the paper or carton egg tray, para paglagyan ng mga grow kits. So again, it's basil or balanoy, Roma tomato or kamatis, and okra. Diba okra, lady's finger in English? Anyway, I'll open it. So, open na siya. And there you have it. Okay. So yung grow kit is composed of, so this one, meron siyang ano to, what do you call this? Parang sa drumstick. Then the seeds are here. Small portion. How many? Siguro mga 5, 10, 15 pieces. Siguro, more or less. And it also comes with, it's probably the soil. And so ito siguro ang panghukay sa soil. And then dito mo na rin tatanim to grow the seedlings. So ganoon din sa minute na. Most probably ganoon din sa tomato or kamatis. The same thing. So may konting information. Mamaya ko nababasahin. Of course, the wooden, ano tawag dito? Ice pick? Ay, hindi. Wooden, ginagamit sa drumsticks or popsicle. And the third one, so we have okra, kamatis, and balanoy. Ang alam ko na kung ano unahin kong tanim. Basil. So wala pa akong seeds ng basil eh. Okra, kamatis, marami ako. So, tatabi ko muna yan. Yung basil lang gagamitin ko. Ayan. Okay. So, yung basil seeds, kunti lang din ang laman. So, mga, how many? So, around 20 pieces. So, parang ano talaga siya. Pang trial to grow kits. To encourage people to plant. Ang maganda rito, kita nyo naman, they reuse the eggshell, the egg tray, yun ang ginamit na lalagyan. Then, a few seeds para pang experiment lang, and then this one, kasi siguro yung panghukay. Or, I think, another purpose of this is to label, para ma-label yung pinaka kung itinanim mo on this particular paper egg tray. Ayun. So, balik ko muna siya kasi gagamitin natin to on Friday for the live stream of ang bansang plantito ng Pilipinas. So, binabalik ko lang siya muna. Pero later, babasahin ko yung laman ito. Konting overview. Baka may mga guides dito or instruction on how to effectively plant. Kasi di ba ang planting naman may kanya-kanyang discard yun. Kanya-kanyang style paano mag-plant. And uminit na kasi it's tanghaling tapat. So, thank you very much. Dahon Grow Kits or Dahon. Again, the name of the farm is Dahon South Seedling Farm, I think. It's Dahon South Seedling Farm, all the way from Block 5, Lot 34, Danao Street, Lakeville Subdivision, San Pedro, Laguna. Ang layo pa ng pinanggalingan niya, Laguna, all the way here in Montalban, Rizal. So, to let us try there and feature there, Dahon Grow Kits. Thank you very much. Again, Dahon South Seedling Farm. Nasubukan to on Friday. Thank you very much. Salamat. Oh, I love the sun.